Hello guys, welcome back with another video, and in this video I am going to be telling you how to add a picture anywhere in your video in iMovie. And remember to like, share and subscribe to the video, and we post nearly every week. So let's just jump right into it. So you will need to open iMovie and a video that you will want to edit. And I've got my video here, so So if you wanted to put a picture in any part of your video, so I am going to put a picture like right here where my cursor is with this straight line. So I'm going to put a picture here. So drag any picture that you like. So I'm going to drag my banner. So put it anywhere. You can move it here, here, or here, but right now I want to put it there. So then when you've done it, you double tap or you just want to highlight your picture, and then when it's highlighted you will need to go where it says cutaway, or like near the magic wand right here. So then after that you will need to press on that, and you will need to press picture in picture. So press on that. When you've done that, it will show a mini screen of what picture that I picked out. So I'm going to just place that, like I'm going to shorten it, put it into size, and I'm going to put it right here. And if you want to extend the time of it, just stretch it with the two arrows across with your mouse, and now it will just stay there as long as you wanted it to, but you can't move it around. So if you want to move it again, just press it so then it can be highlighted. Then if I wanted to place it here, then shorten it again. I'm going to just do that. So so now it will just show up whenever I'm recording. And if I wanted to do it the whole video, it would obviously show for the whole video. And if this video helped you a lot, guys, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.